Are your sales efforts falling flat? Timing is crucial in B2B. Imagine having the power to identify prospects ready to buy. That's the magic of intent data. Intent data reveals which companies are actively seeking solutions like yours. By leveraging these insights, you can personalize outreach and close deals faster. First, build targeted lists based on real-time interest. Second, automate your workflows to act on intent signals quickly. Finally, enhance customer experience with hyper-personalized messaging. Smart Data by SmartReach stands out with 98% accurate data and an all-in-one platform. It's user-friendly, needing no technical expertise. Don't get left behind. Embrace intent data and revolutionize your sales strategy today. Visit us at SmartReach to learn more.